Oh, nice. We've got tanager, western tanager up in the tree here. Tom, western tanager.
Is that the only one, or there are other small ones?
Quite a few birds.
There's quite a few birds up here. I just picked that one out so far. That's a yellow bird with white wing stripes. Is the western tanager. Medium-sized bird. There's some other birds there too, though.
There's a flock of warblers in there.
There's some warblers.
Too small.
Yeah, I don't know.
So it's got orange legs. It's a ruddy.
Yeah, I think it is, sure. It's more like a ruddy than orange.
Is it related to sandpipers? Yes, it's a shorebird. So it is the same genus. Yeah.
That's a pretty neat sighting for here.
Which one did you
Pretty neat sighting.
The ruddy turnstone.
Orange leg.
See, you're getting this one up here. Ruddy turnstone. Ruddy turnstone. And it's not in breeding plumage.
No, that's right.
It's not in its regular breeding plumage. The ruddy turnstone, as opposed to the black.
Is it there?
And is he dove? He may have gone under.
Can you see?
Is he there?
Yep.
So we see him come up. Yeah.
Oh, can you see that? Oh, good. Purple things coming. Against me.
I've heard there's a redneck grebe out in that raft out there, which is quite possible. If not, it's a horn.
That is a redneck. That is in there.
Okay.
Lots of Canadas, I think, mostly. So different.
Did you see a harrier, Tony?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Where? There was one around earlier. Sleeping low and busy looking for lunch.
See that long, huge flock? Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. Guys got that?
I got that.
Going across the sky there?
And at some angles, the sun is shining on the underside of the wing.
Yeah.